Hey guys, it's Friday, August 24th, and if you haven't seen my snap, I said I was going to pick up the vlog camera today, so here I am picking up the vlog camera. It's currently, what time is it? 11:47, and I've been home since 10. It's freezing today. Do you gotta go potty? She just wants to play. That's fine. So I've been home since like 10 o'clock today. This whole week I've been helping out with combatives and helping teach combatives and stuff like that. Too cold. So today was test out day, and they started testing out today around 7:30, I'm sorry. And we finished around 9:30, so I just decided to come home and just relax for a little bit. Came home, spent some time with my husband, and watched some YouTube videos. And I mean, the house needs to be cleaned. The laundry has been done, but I need to fold it. But I've just been like, you know what? It's Friday, and it's my time to relax for a little bit. So that's exactly what I plan to do. And it's so cold and cozy today. Like, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But my husband went back to work. I'll have to go back. Right now it's lunchtime, and I'll have to go back in a little bit. I just have to make sure that I'm back by 15:30 because we have some Pro Mask inventory to do, and I have to bring in my Pro Mask. Hey, so decided to get up and get ready and go to work. It's actually 1300 right now, or 1 o'clock, and I stepped out and it's super like hazy again. So for the past, so it's Friday, maybe since the beginning of this week, we've been getting like all the smoke from the wildfires down in California. And yesterday it cleared up, and then all of a sudden today it's like hazy again and smoky again. So I'm not sure if this is coming from the California wildfires again, or if there's actually a wildfire around here. But it's like, it seems like it's something close by, so I'm not entirely sure where it's coming from. And I just called Marcus to see if he got any kind of notification from work about, you know, the wildfires or something, if something happened. Hey guys. Let me see if I can, there you go. Good morning. Today is August 28th, and it is Tuesday, and it is currently 7:20 in the morning, but I just got off PT, and I am now heading back home to shower and change. But I was late this morning because the carbon monoxide monitors, detectors, whatever you want to call it, was beeping this morning, so I was freaking out because I turned the heat on. It's currently 48 degrees here this morning, and the kids didn't want to get out of bed because it was too cold. So I went downstairs to go and turn the heater on, and then the carbon monoxide and the fire alarm, the smoke detectors, were going off this morning. So I don't know what is going on. So I'm currently at home, and I'm trying to assess the carbon monoxide situation. So I closed all the windows, all the doors, and then I turned the heat up here, and it's been running, but it's still at 66. The carbon monoxide monitors aren't beeping, but something else is beeping. There, see? See? I can't figure out which one it is. It's the smoke alarms, the detectors. So I'm in Maxie's room, and he's got one right here. But every time I come up here and just listen, it doesn't beep anymore. But then when I go back downstairs, it starts beeping. So I'm not sure. So again, I'm not sure which one it's coming from. It just beeped 2 times, and I came up here and nothing is happening. So I don't know where it's coming from. And it's driving me bonkers because I just want to get ready and go to work. So I'm not sure what is going on. But I tested all the, what do you call it? The smoke detectors. I tested all of them, and they were fine. They're all connected. And then I reset all the CO2, which I'll show you guys. We have these plug-in ones. I have one like right here, which is upstairs, and then I have one downstairs near the actual, in between the kitchen and the family room, because we have a fireplace there. And nothing has happened with the CO2 monitors. So we have these plug-in ones, and then we also have one that's actually built into the house. Here, I'll show you guys. But it's this one, and then we also have one right here. But okay, so now it changed. It was at 66, now it's at 68. So now it's working. But I also turned the fireplace on to make sure nothing's coming from there. So I'm just gonna turn it off. See? Oh my God. Now it's coming from down here. But I only have one right here for downstairs, and the rest of them are upstairs. I don't see any more. I don't know. But the hamsters are doing fine. They are alive, because I heard that if there was CO2 in the house, the hamsters will die first, unfortunately. But nothing's going on. The heat hasn't kicked off yet. I'm just waiting for that to happen and see if that works. I also cleaned the one that's down here because Zila's kennel is here. So I'm thinking we're gonna have to move this somewhere else because she is shedding. So I'm thinking If it's not the carbon monoxide, that the dirt and her hair is actually going into the detector and setting it off. I read that online as well, that could happen. So we're gonna probably try to find somewhere else to put her kennel. But my whole house is pretty much carpet except the kitchen, and I don't want her to have one of those accidents. And then, you know, why is that happening? I don't want her to have an accident, a poopy accident, and then get all over the carpet. But all the vents are working properly. I mean, we did this with the guy when we first, my arm is starting to hurt. I did this with the guy when we first decided to buy the house. We had to do like an inspection and stuff, so I hired someone, and we paid a pretty penny for him to come and inspect the house to make sure everything was good to go. Stop it. So I'm not sure what is going on. Did the heat just kick off? I think it did. Yeah, it did. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. But I'd rather just it be, you know, myself going through this, like doing this and inspecting the house and making sure there's no carbon monoxide in the house, than rather have the kids here as well, because if it truly is like the detector is going off because of carbon monoxide, I don't want my children to be around here for that, you know what I mean? But what I'm probably gonna do is today I'll probably have to replace all the batteries in the smoke detectors. The carbon monoxide detectors right here are not, well, they have batteries in them in case like the power goes out, but they're mostly plug-in, so the battery is usually like a backup. But what I'll do is replace all the batteries today and see if that helps and see if that works. But so far, the house reached a temperature that I would like it to, and nothing has happened. And what I mean with nothing has happened is like the CO2 monitors did not go off. Just the smoke detectors were beeping. So we'll see what happens. Things change. I'm actually trying to find my tripod, which I'm pretty sure I put it in. What was my